According to research, most individuals dislike hearing their own voices on video or over the phone. When you completely trust someone, you will receive one of two outcomes: a person for life or a lesson for life. When you're single, all you see are happily ever after. When you're committed, all you appear to be is a happy singles. A man who wants to keep the woman he loves will go to great lengths to make the relationship work. Always remember that when a man hates himself, he takes it out on the woman who loves him. When yesterday's conflict does not hinder today's conversation, you have a great connection. Maturity is when you sincerely love someone but do not put pressure on them to love you back. The ability to react to a foolish question with sarcasm is a sign of a healthy brain. Couples who watch romantic comedies together on a regular basis have been shown to strengthen their closeness significantly. When you come upon a king, retain him. When you come upon a queen, adore and defend her. If you rearrange your deck, you can wind up with a joker. Women reach a time in their lives when it is no longer about sex. It's about having a genuine man that she can love and trust, and who has her back. No one in this world is flawless or pure. You will always be alone if you shun people because of their minor errors. So, instead of judging, try to love more. You'd treat her better if you knew how many men she turned down simply to be with you. Anger can suppress the immune system for 4 to 5 hours. It's incredible to discover someone who is interested in hearing about everything that goes on in your thoughts. A safe man enters your life and truly loves you. Nothing suspicious. There is no half-hearted love. There are no additional females. There is no contradiction, simply you and you alone, sis. When you encounter someone who makes an effort to stand with you no matter how tough you are, keep them. Keep them at all costs, since meeting someone who cares enough to look past your imperfections is a rare occurrence. A female is happiest when she knows you give her your all, every time, in front of everyone. According to psychology, ladies who wear very little makeup have a really nice character. A real guy does not need to romance a new girl every night. He romances the same female for the rest of her life. Men and women who listen to comparable music tend to be better communicators and have relationships that endure longer. No one in this world is flawless or pure. You will always be alone if you shun others because of their little flaws, therefore judge less and love more.